You also earn $4,000 per month. You have to go to YouTube, copy the link of the video from here, and go to Google, paste the link here, download the video, edit it, and then upload it to YouTube. So guys, welcome to our channel. Today I will tell you how you can earn at least $4,000 a month. And at the same time, I will also tell you how you can do affiliate marketing. That too without showing your face, without the voiceover. That means you have to do copy-paste work. Then let's start the video. Let me tell you that, from now on I will keep bringing videos related to how to earn money online on this channel. Make sure to subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon, so that you keep getting updates of new videos. So first of all, let's see you some channels for example. So this channel name is Build Empire. And they have 156,000 subscribers. And they just upload 4 to 5 videos monthly. In the last 30 days, they have got almost 550,000 views. And if I see its most popular videos, 2.6 million, 1.5 million, 1.2 million, 756,000. Then this type of channel has a lot of potentials. And this type of luxury lifestyle. You also get very good CPM and RPM in the video. And you can see this channel is also monetized. There is another channel. That is Lifetime Winners. They also make similar videos. They have also got more than 550,000 views monthly. So let's take the help of Social Blade to see how much money this channel will earn monthly. So here is the Social Blade. If see here, this channel is earning $2,300 monthly. But as far as I think this channel will be earning more than this. Because it is a luxury and billionaire lifestyle channel. Then you will get very good RPM on this channel. And this type of videos are seen all over the world. If you upload 2 to 3 videos weekly, then you will get more views and your earnings will also be good. On 1 million monthly views you can earn up to $4,000, that too only with Google AdSense. And also watch this channel. This channel is also doing Amazon affiliate marketing and earning very good. You can also promote this type of product by joining Amazon Associate and earning extra money. First you have to join Amazon Associate. Then go to Amazon, select the product, copy the affiliate link, and put the link in the description of the videos. So let's know how you can make these types of videos. First of all, go back to this channel and check the description box, then you will see it's not its own original video. It has used someone else's video. Here they have given the credits of the video. If we open them, then this is a YouTube channel that uploads videos of luxury houses, luxury cars, villas, and you can use them in your videos. You can get permission by mailing them well. Just go to the channel, then go to the About section, and find the email, and contact via mail. See, this is also some channel. And the interesting thing is that even if you do not give permission, then these people do not give you the copyright. I also use their footage. But guys, you must have heard, honesty is the best policy, so please give credit. Then you have to download their videos from here and use it. If you want, you can also pick up videos from free stock websites, such as Pixels, Pixelbay, etc. Here also you will get good quality stock footage. I will give you another secret. You can also pick up footage from Direct Luxury Cars Brand's YouTube channel and use them. For example, this is Lamborghini Car Brand YouTube channel. In any of here I download the video. So we have got the footage. Now you have to join these clips together. So for this, you will need a video editing software. So I use Adobe Premiere Pro. This software is the most used for video editing. Don't worry. You just have to do basic editing. I'll tell you how I open the software. If you do not have the software, then you can download its crack version for free. I will give the link in descriptions. And if you find the software difficult, then you can download Filmora or you can also use any other software. So this is my favorite video editing software. Here you have to click on a new project and simply drag and drop the video. After that first you have to unlink the audio from the video and delete the audio. Keep in mind, you do not have to show the logo of the brand. Only add the clip of the car, cut the rest of the part. So please see carefully how. Similarly, you have to drag and drop other footage as well. Make sure that one of your clips is not more than 5 to 6 seconds long. Thus you have to make a video of at least 8 minutes. Next, you will want motivating background music. So for background music, you can use YouTube Audio Library. Or you can also use No Copyright Sound. No Copyright Sound is a very big copyright-free music channel, where with this you get copyright-free music. You can also use it. So after downloading the music, you can simply add music to your video like this.
Oh my God! Wow!
You can also add your logo if you want. And finally export the video. After exporting, all you have to do is simply upload it to your YouTube channel. Next, now you have to create a luxury thumbnail as well. For that we use Canva. Canva is a free graphic design platform where you can easily create graphics, create thumbnails, also have pre-made templates, which makes your work even easier. So now we have to make a thumbnail. So I go to pixel.com website. From here you have to pick up some luxury pictures. So, I take this photo. Then I copy and paste it into Canva. Here we add text to it. Then your thumbnail is ready. You can also use the Pro version of Canva, in which you get lots of free templates, icons, shapes, many features like, if you want to buy, I will give the link in the description. So now what? You do not have to depend only on AdSense money. You can earn a lot of money from affiliate marketing too. Let's know how. You have to come to ClickBank, which is a very popular marketplace. From here you have to find the product related to wealth. And then click on Promote. And then click on Generate Hyperlink. Copy this link. Then go to Google. And type bit.ly.com. From here, shorten your link like this. And put this link in the description of your YouTube video. This is another website. Amara.com. Here you will find a lot of luxury items. And you will get 6% commission per sale which you can promote. If we calculate to 5% of $1,415, then you can earn up to $70 from one sale. All you have to do is simply join the affiliate program from here. And also put this link in your description. So, guys, the video is almost done.
Oh my God! Wow!
But still, I think there is one more thing left. Which is how to optimize video. So, let me tell you a little bit. After uploading the video, you need a keyword research tool for well optimize your YouTube videos. So I use vidIQ for optimized my YouTube videos. So I always use vidIQ to add keywords and tags to the video so that your video ranks quickly. vidIQ boosts your YouTube videos. Designed to deliver ideas. vidIQ is designed to boost your YouTube views. Video helps you acquire the tools and knowledge needed to grow your audience faster on YouTube and beyond. With the help of the vidIQ tool, you can copy the tag of another video and add it to your own video. There is also a free version, but you will not get full features in it. So if you want to create a successful YouTube channel, then I would recommend that you must buy vidIQ. It will help you to boost your channel in less time. You can find low competition keywords and much more. So if you want to buy a pro version of the vidIQ tool, then the link is in description. You can buy from there. So in this way your entire video is optimized. If you work continuously for some time, then I am sure you will also start earning money from YouTube. If you found the video helpful, then like the video. Also subscribe to the channel. If you have any query, then you can tell in the comment box. I will definitely answer you. So thank you, see you in another new video.